Most drivers are wasting hundreds every year without even realizing it. In fact, 70% of car repairs happen because of simple mistakes or neglect, not accidents. Today, we're revealing 15 genius car hacks that could save you thousands. No fancy tools, no complicated steps, just smart tricks. And the last three? They could even save your life. Welcome to CarCulture-X, your go-to spot for practical car tips. Hit subscribe now so you never fall for costly mistakes again. Hack number 15. Adjust tire pressure for the seasons. Let's kick things off with something 92% of drivers don't know. You've seen that tire pressure sticker on your car door frame, right? Well, that's only accurate for summer conditions. Winter is a completely different story. Cold air causes tires to lose pressure rapidly, about 1 pound per square inch for every 10-degree temperature drop. Underinflated tires in winter mean you're burning more fuel, losing traction on icy roads, and wearing out your tires faster than normal. The fix is simple. In winter, add 3 to 5 psi, more than your door sticker recommendation. Check your car manual for the exact specification for your vehicle. This small adjustment can save you up to 3% on fuel costs and extend your tire life by up to 9,000 miles. That's real money back in your pocket. Hack number 14. Fill your tank the right way. Did you know there's actually a wrong way to pump gas? Most people just jam the nozzle in and squeeze the trigger at full blast. Big mistake. When you fill up too fast, the fuel foams up like a fizzy drink. This foam can spill out of your tank and damage critical components like your fuel filter, pump, injectors, and worst of all, your evap system. Repairing an evap system alone can cost you anywhere from $300 to $600. Here's the right technique. Fill to a quarter tank, then pause for 30 seconds. Let the fuel settle, especially if it's diesel. Fill to halfway, pause another 30 seconds. Then top it off slowly. This method prevents foaming, protects your fuel system, and actually gets you an extra 1.3 gallons into your tank. That's fuel you're paying for, but not getting if you rush. Hack number 13. Cool down your car. Fast with the thermal cascade. Your car sitting in summer sun can hit 160 degrees Fahrenheit in just 1 hour. That's hot enough to cook a steak. Most people blast the AC immediately, but that just blows hot air directly at your face. Here's the thermal cascade technique that actually works. First, roll down the windows on one side of your car. Then, open and close the opposite front door 5 or 6 times like you're fanning. This creates a pressure difference that pushes hot air out fast. Next, start your AC on the coldest setting with all windows down. Don't use recirculation mode yet since it's hotter inside than outside. Point all your vents downward toward the footwell because hot air rises, and you want to force it up and out. Now start driving with windows open. Movement accelerates cooling. Once it feels cooler inside, roll up the windows and switch to recirculation mode. Finally, redirect your vents toward the top and sides of the car to keep that cool air cycling efficiently. This method can cool your car down in half the time of traditional approaches. Hack number 12. Prevent steering wheel burns by cracking windows. Speaking of hot cars, a study found that steering wheels can reach 200 degrees in dark colors. That's hot enough to cause second-degree burns, which happen at just 130 degrees. The simple fix? Crack your windows slightly when parked. Hot air rises and escapes through the opening, while cooler outside air enters the car. This single trick can lower your steering wheel temperature by up to 30 degrees and save you from a painful surprise when you grip the wheel. Hack number 11. Stop frozen doors with cooking spray. Now let's flip seasons. Winter brings frozen car doors, and most people pour warm water or struggle with wiggling the door. There's a better way that prevents freezing altogether. Spray cooking oil on your door's rubber seals and wipe off the excess with a towel. Since oil and water don't mix, moisture won't stick to the seals, which means no freezing. This trick can last for months, but to be safe, repeat it every 3 to 4 weeks throughout winter. It's a 2-minute job that saves you from frustrating mornings. Hack number 10. Thaw frozen locks with hand sanitizer. But what if you're already locked out by frozen doors? Here's where that pandemic stockpile of hand sanitizer finally becomes useful. Warm up your car key first with a lighter or hot water. Never pour hot water directly on your car door because it can hit your window and cause it to shatter, leaving you with a $200 repair bill. Instead, put hand sanitizer on your key and slowly push it into the keyhole. The alcohol content melts the ice. Also pour some on the door handle and repeat as needed. This costs you nothing compared to commercial de-icing sprays and works just as effectively. Hack number 9. Use potatoes to prevent window fog. Foggy windows cause over 38,700 crashes annually, resulting in 600 deaths and 16,000 injuries according to federal highway data. The worst part is, fog widens your blind spots and slows your reaction time dramatically. Here's an old pilot trick from World War II. Slice a potato and rub it all over your interior windows. The potato starch creates a thin film that absorbs moisture before it condenses into fog. It's cheaper than anti-fog sprays, safer because it doesn't leave vision-distorting streaks, and one application lasts months. Reapply every 4 to 5 weeks to maintain protection. Hack number 8. Decode your fuel gauge arrow. Here's something 74% of drivers don't know exists. Look at your fuel gauge right now. See that little arrow next to the gas pump icon? That arrow points to which side your fuel tank is on. If you drive an older car without the arrow, the handle on the pump icon tells you the same thing. This tiny detail saves you time and embarrassment at gas stations, especially in rentals or unfamiliar vehicles. On average, it saves 2 to 3 minutes per fill-up and prevents awkward repositioning. Hack number 7. Cover paint. Scratches with nail polish. No matter how carefully you drive, scratches happen. Road debris, tight parking lots, careless door dingers. Before you spend $3,000 to $8,000 on a professional repaint, try this. Nail polish can cover minor scratches that haven't reached the base coat layer. It makes your car look cleaner and protects the exposed metal from rust and further damage. Find a nail polish color matching your car as closely as possible. Clean the scratched area with soapy water. Let it dry completely, then apply the nail polish gently. Use a soft cloth to lightly buff it smooth. For under $10, you've just saved thousands. Hack number 6. Fix windshield chips with clear nail polish. Clear nail polish has another superpower. It can temporarily fix chips in your windshield. Nail polish contains nitrocellulose, the same durable bonding agent used in automotive clear coats. Clean the chipped area with a microfiber cloth, then apply clear nail polish along the edges of the chip. Let it dry. That's it. This seals the chip, preventing moisture and dirt from entering and making the damage worse. This $5 fix can save you $300 to $1,000 in windshield repairs. Expect it to last 3 to 6 months before you need professional repair. Hack number 5. Use pool noodles on garage walls. Do you or your kids open car doors too hard in the garage? Cut a pool noodle in half lengthwise and drill it sideways across your garage wall where your doors swing open. Pool noodles absorb impact surprisingly well, even from an angry teenager slamming a door. This $30 hack saves you hundreds in door repaints and protects your garage walls from dents. It's cheap insurance for tight parking spaces. Hack number 4. Hang a tennis ball in your garage. Here's another garage hack. Studies show 70% of drivers misjudge distance when parking in tight garages. The result? Thousands spent annually on fender and wall repairs. Attach a tennis ball to a rope and hang it so it touches your windshield or rear window at the exact spot you want to stop. The bright yellow is visible anytime, but especially helpful at night when your headlights illuminate it. It's a simple visual cue that prevents costly mistakes. Hack number 3. Clean headlights with toothpaste. Cloudy headlights reduce visibility by up to 30%, which is especially dangerous in winter when visibility is already compromised. Mechanics will quickly tell you that you need new headlights at $700 or more, but try this first. Wash your headlights, then put regular white toothpaste on a damp cloth. Rub it on the headlight in circular motions, then rinse. Buff out residue with a microfiber cloth. Your headlights will look brand new, and you've saved a small fortune. The mild abrasives in toothpaste polish away the oxidation. Repeat every few months as needed. Hack number 2. Use citrus oils to fight drowsy driving. Over 90,000 crashes happen yearly due to drowsy driving according to NHTSA. Coffee helps, but it takes too long to kick in. Long-haul truckers have used citrus oils for decades. Orange and lemon scents stimulate your olfactory system, which connects directly to the part of your brain controlling alertness and arousal. It's like a quick tap on the shoulder when you're fading. For maximum effect, actually peel an orange or lemon. The physical act of peeling combined with the smell creates a sensory distraction that interrupts driving boredom. Use this alongside coffee for a 1-2 punch against drowsiness. Hack number 1. Escape snow or mud with floor mats. Here's the lifesaver we promised. Getting stuck in snow creates panic fast. Low visibility means oncoming traffic might not see you. If you can't get unstuck quickly, you're standing on the roadside vulnerable to hypothermia. If you don't have traction devices, use your floor mats. Place them underneath the stuck wheel in the direction you want to move. Push them under as far as possible. Then slowly accelerate and drive over them. Rubber mats work best, but use whatever you have available. This old-school trick has saved countless drivers in emergencies when professional help is hours away. It's the difference between getting home safely and waiting in dangerous conditions. And there you have it, 15 car hacks that'll make you a smarter, safer, and wealthier driver. From seasonal tire pressure adjustments to emergency snow escapes, these tips cost almost nothing but deliver massive value. Which hack surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to CarCulture-X for more money-saving automotive knowledge. Your car has more secrets waiting to be uncovered. Check out our next video where we reveal hidden features buried in your dashboard that you'll regret not using sooner. Thanks for watching, and drive smart out there.